Well folks, here we are getting ready for the partial eclipse of the sun. It's the 10th of June 2021 and the weather forecast is supposed to be clear. Looks like a lot of clouds up there to me. But I guess we've heard that one before, haven't we? Anyway, it's got about an hour to go for the start, so I've got everything up and ready. So I've got the Williams ZS61 on the EQ8R mount. Somewhat overkill, but that's the way it is. And I'm using a white light sun filter for this, and the ASI 385MC colour camera. So we're all set up and ready to go. I don't know if this is going to catch it too. Oh yeah, you can see the high cloud that's migrating, but there's a bit of wind and there's time for it yet to clear, so maybe I'm a bit premature in maligning the weathermen.
Here's the live view of the sun from the observatory. I've transferred control of the session to the desktop here in the house via TeamViewer. I've shown how you can do that in a previous video. At the moment it's a little bit cloudy, but it is set to clear, so let's just hope that for once the weatherman hasn't lied. Oh, we can see a few clouds just coming across now. Well, 45 minutes to go before it starts, so let's just hope it clears up and stays clear. There's actually, I think, there's a hint of some sunspot activity up here, but we'll know for sure once I start stacking the images. So as you can see, it's started. It's starting to clip the edge of the solar disk here. And yes, there are quite a nice area of activity over here. Be nice to see how that turns out later. But so here we have it. Yeah, it's all started, and so far the clouds are staying, are behaving. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so the weather's a bit variable. Getting a few clouds coming over, but generally been able to get some images. We've got about, I would say, half an hour before maximum. So let's keep our fingers crossed that the weather will continue to play ball. Well, we're there or thereabouts now from this latitude. I don't think it's going to get any more obscure than that now. I think pretty much the maximum. I make it around 11:60 in 30 seconds, so pretty much there.
Okay, so we've managed to photograph it right until the maximum point of the eclipse. It's only a partial, remember, in white light. So what I'm going to try now is I'm going to try using this device, which is a Daystar Quark filter, and it should enable us to take some images in hydrogen alpha, which might be interesting. So let's see what happens. Well folks, looks like we've got the imaging up till the maximum point of the eclipse, just under the wire. I was going to do some further work in hydrogen alpha, but look what's happening. say, looks like we got in under the wire. I'll post some pics up at the end and see what you think. Well, thanks for watching as usual, and again, if you feel the urge, please subscribe. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. I hope you found it interesting, and see you next time.
Watch the skies everywhere. Keep looking. Keep watching the skies.